Hey, this is Adrian. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do a basic Kabbit mod in Blender. And first thing we're going to do is, well, first we're going to delete the cube, then import STL. Go and find your Kabbit head. Going to do low, press not F7, but F7 on the numpad. Zoom out with your scroll wheel to find your mesh. Object, set origin to geometry. And then I like to go in here and press type 0 so that it's centered. But you don't really need to do that so long as your mirror is centered. Then I'm going to add a cube well, first I'm going to explain that we're doing Pearl from Steven Universe. So our reference, change it to 0 so you get what is this, the cube? Get out of here. Okay, so yeah, got our reference, got our cube. Whenever you see me change cameras, I'm using the numpad to change my view. You can also go up here and do it like this. So I'm going to take my cube and I'm going to make it into manipulate the cube, make a cube. Then I'm going to go into edit mode, go into X-ray up here so I can select all the points. Just shape it a little bit better, like a nose. Girl's big nose. All right, happy with that. Let's shrink it. Shrink it at the top too. That tape effect. So it's like a nice wedge. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Then I'm going to shift click, join, to join these two meshes together. Go into sculpt mode and remesh to join the two meshes together. And once those two meshes are joined, I'm going to turn on symmetry so that everything I edit on this side edits on the other. I'm going to hold shift to smooth, and I'm going to smooth down the edge. So it's a little sharp, so I'm going to go to the flatten tool, and I'm going to flatten these edges. Make it a little rounder. Shift, smooth again. Blend our edges. Then I'm going to do another remesh. It's going to lag a little bit. Takes a little bit of time. One. And then smooth again. If your smooth isn't behaving and you've got some sharp edges, you can just remesh. Now let's take this elastic grab tool, which is my favorite one to use. Moving things. Just make it a little bit humanoid. All right. Gonna stretch it a little bit just to make it bigger. Under at the bottom. Oh, and now I'm switching into the draw sharp tool. I'm going to that to define the mouth a little bit more. All right, and now she needs her gem. So for that, I'm going to create a mesh UV sphere. Go to not F3, numpad 3, bring that to the center of her head. Get bigger. Then I'm going to go into X-ray and tab mode. Click at this bottom here, press Control plus 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 plus, delete faces. Then I'm going to hold Alt, click this edge to select this entire edge loop, and then I'm going to press F to fill that edge loop, and you can't see what that's doing, but that's making it so our mesh is not empty. Let me show you what we're doing. See, when I did that, click plus 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 plus, delete faces, it left this open and empty. And when we're 3D printing, we can't do that. We can't have non-manifold edges. So I pressed Alt to select this entire edge loop and F to fill. So now it is manifold. Then we're going to press Alt H and unhide our mesh. Go to the scale tool, make it ovular, rotate it. So yeah, then I'm going to go into sculpt mode. There's a couple ways you could do this. Remesh, smooth it. Oops. But we need to, this is important, you need to object, apply, all transform. Every time you scale something, see here, scale is weird. Every time you make something bigger or smaller, you need to apply the scale. Apply all transform. So that when you remesh, it is not low polygon. Because it'll remesh to whatever scale mesh is. So yeah, I'm happy with this. This is a simple little pearl. And I've also been requested to do a quick hair tutorial. So I'm going to stop and start that quick.